Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the landscape of your project in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change the landscape of your project in your Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application or any of the browser into your computer. I'm opening my browser and opening the canva.com site for Canva into my browser. Then you just simply have to select any of the template or any of the existing projects or create a new project in the Canva. I'm opening this existing project of mine into my Canva, and after opening the project, in order to change the landscape, you just simply have to tap into this resize and magic switch option. Just simply tap into that and then you will get to see this resize option into here. Tap into that option again and you can resize your landscape from here. You can choose Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post and many more social medias and video typings and more option. And you can also use the custom sites option. But before doing that, keep it in mind that you have to get pro version of Canva in order to use this feature. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.